Hi guys, today we're checking out a quite unique case for the iPhone. I've seen over lots of social media a kind of lightweight, very different type of iPhone case that you can buy for most of the iPhones, but specifically I bought it for the iPhone 15 Pro here. At the moment I've been rocking the Largo clear case, their hybrid MagSafe case. It ticks all the boxes, it shows the color through the back here. Got MagSafe pass through. It protects everything, protects all the buttons. But I do like my thin minimalist cases, but I always find they're quite superficial and a little bit shoddy sometimes. So I've seen a couple of promotions of these tab-like protectors that protect the top and bottom corners, the camera bump, and very little else. The rest of the phone is fully exposed to the main body, but with these two elements on the top and bottom, they should protect the phone. Now, these are stock on. I think you can get ones that are more grippy. They kind of elasticate around, but I like the fact that these are adhesive and they should stick onto the phone. So I'm going to give this a trial for at least a week and see how I get on. Considering these are quite bespoke, they're very expensive on social media. You can buy them for about $20 to $30, which is insane, where I have picked this up for £2.50 from AliExpress. I clearly know that these are from China. They're manufactured out there. So I thought, what's the chances? Give it a go and see what these are like for £2.50. Can't go wrong. I'm not going to do any drop tests. I'm just going to see how it fits on the phone. Can I use it okay? If it protects the corners, it's going to protect the screen. It's going to protect the corners of the case if you drop it. If you were to sort of drop it on something though, it's definitely going to damage the edges of the phone, but everything else should be intact. And I've got a screen protector here from a Largo anyway, so it's going to help protect the screen. So let's just check out what's inside the box itself. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro version. It should literally just have the top and bottom, and that's pretty much it. So we've got some screen wipes to clean the top and bottom before we apply the adhesives. And then we've got the top end of the case here, which should protect all the camera bumps. There's actually glass there as well. I think I just touched the back end, so I'm gonna have to give that a clean. And then the bottom side, you've got speaker grill holes, and again the adhesive for the bottom of the case as well. So we're gonna give this a wet down. I'm gonna clean the underside of those as well, because I did touch it with my fingers. So they do give you tiny little swabs. So we're gonna go with the top first, clean the top edge and the camera bumps. I'm going to put that to the side because we're going to have to reuse that for bottom in a minute. Then we've got a dry cloth, wipe everything back off. Basically get rid of any oils that are around the actual unit itself. I'm going to clean the inside of this. I did touch it. Right, so to the adhesives then. So we pull off the adhesive bits. Doesn't look like there's that much adhesive on it. We can peel off these tabs and then it's a simple case of putting on the phone. So lenses first. And you see them kind of like snap the whole thing on, which I think is not really right. I think they just literally peeled that off at the very top of it. So this just sits nicely on top. There's a little cutout at the top there to do the speaker at the top of the phone. And this just covers just before the aerial on both sides. And then it protects the camera bump as well. Probably not the cleanest, but I don't want to take off the thing if it's got adhesive now. So make sure you clean the lenses. That's just me touching the lenses at the end. Then lastly, we're gonna take our oils off the bottom and give it a wipe down. Then we take up this, make sure that you got the right holes for the right grill, and peel this off. 2 bits. I accidentally touched the edge of the adhesive there and it is quite sticky. So just line that up and then make sure that is all pressed down. And that's it, pretty much. So you've got nice alignment on the speaker grill there. Plenty of room for the cable to go in there. There is a bit of a plastic join there from the molding, so they're not the best quality, but it is cheap, and that's the main thing. So it protects the camera bump there along the top should it actually fall on the edges. Again, at the bottom, if it were to fall on the bottom, and you just get the same thinness feel from the actual phone itself. And obviously the camera bumps are protected too with some lens covers. Just do a quick look at the camera. Nothing has shielded that from fully working with these lenses on front. So it should be fine for outdoor use and everything else like that. So I'm going to use this for a while and see how we get on and let you know how things go. Okay, so that's the bare bone corner padding, or however you want to call it, for the iPhone 15 Pro. I'll leave links down below to these particular ones from AliExpress so you can actually buy them directly. They come in a couple of colors. Sadly, not ones that really work with the titanium. I've not seen any of these types from sellers that actually do color that works with the titanium. Maybe they might do in the future, but for now I've not seen one, like a gold one, or at least something that was a bit more silver color. That would have been nicer. So if you're looking for the most minimalist case whilst giving some form of protection to the corners, then this is not a bad solution. I don't think there is enough of a lip to protect the screen from top-down falls. I do have a screen protector on here, so I do recommend, if you're going to do this, get a good rounded screen protector for your iPhone as well, so you can at least protect the front from any scratches. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If it has, give us a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this minimalist case for the iPhone 15 Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.